I remember they were giving me a tour, the first day on the job kind of tour, and they were like, okay, now we have to go through our fire exits, but we're not gonna go through them fully for you, because if you go through there, there's a bunch of seagulls nesting that we're not allowed to move. But if you go as much as even step outside of this door, they will get mad at you and they will attack you. So if there's a fire, just go through here. And I was like, wait a sec. If I go through there, though, I get attacked by seagulls. And they're like, yeah, so you're gonna have to make a choice. You're gonna have to choose between fire or seagulls. We're gonna assume you'd probably pick the seagulls. And I was like, nah.